Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Last couple of days, the markets were really slow. I took few trades, no big winners. $50, $60. So I did not consider those videos worth posting. That's why I did not post them. I'm hoping we get some good trades today. Triple Q gapping down was on an uptrend, but right now clear downtrend. Amazon, Nvidia and Tesla all following the same. Gives me a bearish sentiment on the day. So I'll wait for market open to see how these stocks react and then define my trades based on that. We do have around 5 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching Tesla and Nvidia. $675, I'm trying to get in. Yep, I'm in. Looking to build my position here. Stop would be high of this candle. Out. That was a perfect trade, making $80. I'll take it. $720. Out. That was a quick scalp. Now, why did I take it? Triple Q, upper wick. That's why I took it. Back to Tesla. Strong green candle. I don't want to short now. Unless I see an upper wick, I'll stay away. Not adding or not shorting in the strength. Just want to show how Triple Q is going. So, staying away for now. If it actually breaks this area, I'll be long biased. I think it's gonna break out. My second trade, had I holded on to it, would have been a much bigger loser. See how staying away from shorting while Tesla is showing strong moves helped me out. The last trade, the same contract I took around $7, $7.10, $7.20. Now it's sitting at $5.80. Tesla is breaking out. I think it would give a pullback and then break out. $7.50 maybe, give a quick pullback. $7.50, 2 contracts placed in order. Didn't get it. Fill me out. Yep, I'm in. I look to add over here as well. My exit would be below the EMA. Exiting. Not breaking out. So now it's going. I should have waited a little bit. Bummer there. Look at it go. Idea was right. I didn't have the patience. Now, why did I exit quickly? Triple Q scared me. It formed an upper wick. Green is good, but I had the potential to make another $100, but that's fine. I think Tesla is losing its steam. Or does it have enough to make another move? I think I'll call it a day. Triple Q not looking good. It formed an upper wick and then it's selling off. So I think the markets are now trying to reverse, and probably it's going to trade within $316 and $313 within this window. Now I don't want to get caught in the choppy moves. So I'll call it today. 3 trades, 3 winners, feeling a lot more confident. $150 in less than 30 minutes. I'll take it. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basis and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.